Have you ever wondered how the tiniest particles in the universe can revolutionize our world when combined with artificial intelligence? Welcome to a new frontier where nanotechnology and AI are shaping the future together. Let's dive in. We will examine this topic under 5 headings. 1. What is nanotechnology? 2. The role of AI in nanotechnology. 3. Real-world applications and future possibilities. 4. Challenges and ethical questions. 5. The future of AI and nanotechnology. Let's start our fun and science-filled video. One. What is nanotechnology? First, let's break it down. Nanotechnology operates at the nanoscale, around so small that it's measured in billionths of a meter. To give you an idea, a single strand of human hair is about 80,000 nanometers wide. Imagine the possibilities when we manipulate materials at this microscopic scale. From medicine to electronics, nanotechnology is everywhere. For instance, in healthcare, nanobots can be programmed to navigate the human body, target cancer cells, and deliver drugs directly to the affected areas. But how do they know where to go? Here's where AI steps in. 2. The role of AI in nanotechnology. Artificial intelligence acts as the brain behind nanotechnology. AI algorithms process vast amounts of data and guide nanobots to perform their tasks with precision. Think of it as a GPS system for nanobots, helping them identify their targets, navigate complex environments, and adapt to challenges in real time. Example 1. Healthcare. For example, AI-powered nanobots can scan a patient's body for abnormalities, analyze the data, and decide the best course of action, all without human intervention. This level of precision could revolutionize cancer treatment, reducing side effects and increasing survival rates. Example 2. Energy sector. In the energy sector, AI and nanotechnology work together to create more efficient solar panels. Nanomaterials, like quantum dots, absorb sunlight more effectively, while AI optimizes energy output by analyzing environmental conditions in real time. 3. Real-world applications and future possibilities. The collaboration between AI and nanotechnology is already making waves in multiple industries. Let's explore some real-world applications. Healthcare, nanobots and AI in medicine. Imagine a world where early detection of diseases is the norm. AI-driven nanobots could monitor your health, detect potential issues, and even repair cells before symptoms appear. It's like having a personal doctor inside your body. Electronics, AI nanochips in electronics. AI designs nanoscale transistors, making devices faster and more energy efficient. This means your next smartphone or laptop could be smaller, lighter, and incredibly powerful. Environment, cleaning pollutants and environmental science. Nanotechnology and AI combine to tackle pollution. Nanomaterials can break down harmful chemicals in water, while AI monitors the process to ensure it's efficient and safe. 4. Challenges and ethical questions. Of course, no technology comes without challenges. Nanotechnology and AI raise ethical questions. Who controls these technologies? How do we ensure they are used responsibly? And how do we protect privacy in a world where microscopic devices can gather data? 5. The future of AI and nanotechnology. Despite these challenges, the potential is limitless. Imagine a future where diseases are eradicated, renewable energy powers the world, and technology becomes seamlessly integrated into our daily lives, all thanks to the synergy between nanotechnology and AI. We're standing on the edge of a technological revolution. So, what do you think? How will nanotechnology and AI shape our future? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the world of technology.